Well, they made me do it again. Merry Christmas, everybody from the team here at Sicon. Just want to say thank you for all of your hard work and support with us this year. It's obviously still difficult times, but I think we've had a lot of successes, and that couldn't have been done without yourselves. Obviously, a couple of quick wins for us, or fantastic achievements. First one, Loughborough, whilst it would have been great to have had everybody there, we were still able to run it more from a beat pack and get the strategy in there, which was quite key. And it was great to be able to celebrate success. Talking about celebrating success, personally, just want to say how fantastic it was to win the Sage Award there for the Strategic Solution Partner. In all the years that I've worked here, this is the first award, so certainly it meant a lot, and again, all the hard work and effort on the team here in Sicon. Moving into next year, well, other than, I suppose, probably the biggest thing personally, becoming a father for the first time, hopefully early in the new year, well, it's just going to be a bit more of the same, trying to focus on continuous improvement, ensuring that the products, we make them the best we can, but also, again, engaging with yourselves. But finally, enjoy your Christmases, stay safe, and we'll see you in the new year.